In this video, we will explore the 5 best mini PCs for trading in 2026, highlighting compact designs, powerful processors, and fast memory options that ensure seamless performance for multiple monitors and real-time data analysis. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. FIREBAT A8. The FIREBAT A8 Mini PC combines impressive performance with a remarkably compact design, making it ideal for both gaming and productivity. At its core is the AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, capable of reaching up to 4.9 GHz thanks to the Zen 4 architecture and 16 MB of L3 cache. This ensures fast multitasking and smooth handling of demanding applications. Graphics are powered by the integrated Radeon 780MA, which uses RDNA 3 architecture with 12 cores and a gaming frequency of 2.6 GHz. This allows for high frame rate gaming and seamless video streaming without a dedicated graphics card. Memory comes in the form of 16 GB of dual-channel DDR5 at 5600 MHz, expandable up to 96 GB, paired with a 1 TB PC 4.0 solid-state drive for rapid boot times and quick file transfers. Connectivity options include 2 USB 4.0 ports, offering 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds, 1 HDMI 2.1 port, 1 DisplayPort 1.4, and support for up to 4 displays simultaneously. Networking is robust, with dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast, low-latency connections. The FIREBAT A8 also supports external dedicated graphics through a native Oculink interface, while a top button allows easy switching between high-performance, balanced, and quiet modes. Compact yet versatile, it is designed to elevate any desktop setup with power, speed, and efficiency. Pros: compact, high performance, versatile connectivity. Cons: limited integrated graphics for ultra-demanding AAA titles. Number 4. Aittact AI960. The Aittact AI960 mini gaming PC delivers impressive performance within a compact design, making it suitable for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. It is powered by the Intel Core i9-13900HK processor with 14 cores and 20 threads, capable of reaching a maximum boost clock of 5.4 GHz. This ensures smooth operation even under demanding workloads. Graphics performance is handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, featuring Ada Lovelace architecture. The GPU supports real-time ray tracing and DLSS 3.0, offering high-quality visuals for gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. Paired with 64 GB of dual-channel DDR5 memory, the system delivers fast multitasking and responsive performance. Storage comes from a 1 TB NVMe PC4.0 solid-state drive, providing rapid boot times and quick access to files, with expansion options up to 8 TB of SSD storage and additional RAM upgrades up to 64 GB. Connectivity is strong with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port for reliable network performance. Display support includes 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 1 Type-C port, all capable of 4K at 60 Hz, allowing triple monitor setups. Additional features include RGB lighting control, adjustable fan speeds, and a full suite of USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and audio ports. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, the Aittact AI960 is ready for high-performance tasks immediately. Pros: high-end processor and graphics, ample memory and storage. Cons: compact size may limit internal airflow and future upgrades. Number 3. Khadas Mind 22 AI. The Khadas Mind 2S Mini PC is a compact powerhouse designed for AI workloads, creative tasks, and professional use. It is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 255H processor with 16 cores and 16 threads, reaching a maximum turbo frequency of 5.1 GHz. Its triple-engine architecture combines CPU, GPU, and NPU, delivering up to 96 trillion operations per second for high-performance computing. Memory is provided by 64 GB of LPDDR5X at 8400 MHz, paired with a 2 TB PCIe 4.0 solid-state drive, ensuring fast application performance and ample storage. Expansion is simple via the magnetic SSD cover and an additional M.2 2230 slot. Graphics rely on the Intel Arc integrated GPU, supporting ray tracing and dynamic frequencies up to 2.25 GHz, delivering smooth visuals for professional design, video editing, and AI applications. Display options are versatile, with support for up to 3 monitors at 8K 60 Hz through Thunderbolt 4 or USB 4 and 4K 60 Hz via HDMI 2.1. Connectivity includes Thunderbolt 4, USB 4, USB, a 3.2 Gen 2 Wi-Fi 6EA, and Bluetooth 5.3. The MindLink interface uses CI 5.0 for future-proof expansion at speeds up to 256 gigatransfers per second. Weighing only 435 grams and measuring 2 centimeters thick, the Khadas Mind 2 SE is highly portable. A built-in 5.55 watt-hour battery enables instant sleep mode and up to 25 hours of standby, with a USB-C port handling both power and data for a truly all-in-one mobile solution. Pros: ultra-fast AI performance and portability. Cons: premium price for a mini PC. Number 2. Khadas Mind 1. The Khadas Mind 1 Mini PC is powered by the 13th generation Intel Core i7 1360p processor, featuring 12 cores, 16 threads, and a maximum turbo frequency of 5.0 GHz. With Intel Iris X graphics and an 18 MB cache, it delivers smooth multitasking, reliable productivity, and capable performance for design applications. Memory consists of 32 GB of LPDDR5 at 5200 megatransfers per second, paired with a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 solid-state drive. Storage can be expanded up to 2 TB using a hidden M.2 2230 slot located under a magnetic cover. This combination ensures rapid boot times, fast file transfers, and ample space for demanding workloads. Portability is a key feature, with a weight of 435 grams and dimensions of 146 by 105 by 20 millimeters. A built-in 5.55 watt-hour battery enables seamless transitions between workstations, with instant sleep mode and one-click wake-up. Connectivity includes 2 USB Type-C ports, 2 USB A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and an HDMI 2.0 port supporting 4K at 60 Hz. The Type-C ports can handle up to 8K at 60 Hz or 4K at 240 Hz, while the Mind dock allows support for up to 4 simultaneous displays. Efficient cooling is provided by a vapor chamber, liquid cooling heatsink, copper fins, and a magnetic levitation fan. Wi-Fi 6EE, Bluetooth 5.3, and pre-installed Windows 11 Home complete the package, with the Mind app enabling easy power and module management. Pros: compact design with strong performance and versatile display support. Cons: limited internal storage expansion compared to larger desktop. Number 1. G7T iGaming Mini. The Aittact G7T Gaming Mini PC delivers high-end performance in a compact design, ideal for gaming, content creation, and professional workloads. It is powered by the Intel Core i9-14900HX processor with 24 cores and 32 threads, reaching a maximum turbo frequency of 5.8 GHz. Combined with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, it provides ultra-smooth gameplay, real-time ray tracing, and AI-assisted frame generation using DLSS 3 technology. Memory support includes dual DDR5 SOD IMM slots, expandable up to 96 GB, while storage is handled by 2280 CA4.0 solid-state drive slots, supporting up to 4 TB. An additional SD card slot allows for further expansion, making it ideal for large projects and high-resolution assets. The G7T supports dual display output through one HDMI 2.1 port and one USB Type-C port, both capable of up to 8K resolution. Networking is future-ready with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, providing faster and more stable connections. Cooling is managed by an active PWM system, keeping the system at optimal temperatures under heavy loads. The dedicated control center enables performance mode switching, instant cooling, and real-time hardware monitoring. A graphical iOS simplifies system configuration and security management. Compact yet powerful, the Aittact G7T is built for serious gamers, creators, and professionals who require top-tier performance in a small form factor. Pros: ultra-fast CPU and GPU with high expandability. Cons: limited display outputs for multi-monitor setups beyond 2 screens. There you have it, our top 5 Mini PCs for trading in 2026. Each of these options combines speed, reliability, and compact design to optimize your workflow and trading experience. Make sure to check the description below for the latest prices and links to purchase. Choose the one that fits your setup and trading needs.